Why is that spacious North Carolina home with 4, 5, 6 bedrooms listed as a 3-bedroom? It's not a mistake. It's because of the septic permit. I'm Jenifer Salter with your elect team at eXp Realty, and today I'm breaking down how septic systems rule when determining bedroom count in listings. In North Carolina, when a home is on septic, real estate agents are required to list the property based on the permitted bedroom count, not how many rooms look like bedrooms. For example, a home might have 4 or 5 rooms that could function as bedrooms, but if that septic permit's only for 3-bedroom, then MLS listing must reflect that it's a 3-bedroom home. Now, don't worry, that does not mean that you can't use those other rooms as bedrooms. Septic systems calculate occupancy, assuming that each bedroom accommodates 2 full-time residents. So a 3-bedroom system is rated for 6 people living in the home full-time. And if you've got 7 or more people in the home, you'll just want to service your septic more frequently to keep things moving properly. Now, you'll see language like lives like a 4-bedroom, additional flex or office not counted in the bedroom count. It's a strategy to show the full potential of a home without violating MLS rules. So some buyers prefer septic, and there's a lot of advantages. First of all, lower monthly utility costs, no sewer bill, fewer neighbors because a lot of homes on septic are on larger lots or outside city limits, which means more privacy, more space, less infrastructure equals less municipal oversight. So you have more control and you're responsible for your own. Now, the next part that I'd like to talk about is if you're searching for 4 or more bedrooms, don't get tripped up. Okay, so if you're looking for 4, 5, 6-bedroom home, don't limit your search to 4+ bedrooms because many homes with the square footage and the rooms that you're needing are listed as 3 bedrooms due to the septic permits. So widen your search and do 3+ bedrooms and up, and then narrow by your square footage you're looking for, and then read the descriptions carefully because your perfect fit might be hiding in plain sight. Now, here's some, helpful tips for septic system. Pump every 3 to 5 years or 2 to 3 if it's high occupancy in your house. Don't flush wipes, grease, chemicals. Just use the toilet paper, okay, and any kind of septic safe product. Keep records of inspections and services because this helps when you go to sell your house, okay? And if you're looking at fewer bedrooms than expected, it's likely a septic permit issue, not a space issue. If you have questions about buying or selling a home with septic in North Carolina, I can help buyers find homes that really work for them and their lifestyles. And I help sellers highlight all the value in their space, even if the permit says 3 bedrooms, but they have more room. Give me a message anytime. Drop in the comments any questions you have. And if you're looking to move, I'd love to help guide you through with a little confidence. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more North Carolina real estate tips